Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out, 2025 Grand Design Transcend Xplor. This is a 22RBX. And very nice pass-through storage I want to show you. With, in addition to that, you have the slide-out table, which is very nice. Docking station on the other side. And something I haven't seen is they're putting labels on things, drawing your attention to it. I like that. It just brings additional awareness. There's a 22RBX badging. Additional awareness to the items. We'll get inside here in a moment. So we have a dormitory style and size refrigerator, a single burner flat top or cooktop. We have your spare tire. And I know it's loud. We'll get inside where it's nice and quiet. As we climb the steps to go in. So that's a single slide on the off-camp side and a very nice couch setup. And it also has the fold-down armrest with USB and USB-C, as well as 2 cup holders. And then you have a residential plug, and we also have an LED light above. Before I head down the hall, I'm gonna shoot the bathroom. So a very nice wide bathroom. We also have a window that opens up, which is very handy to let out or in the air of your air temperature of your choice. So if it's cool outside and you're hot, open it up. If it's hot outside, you can let some of the warmth in. Flat screen TV would go here, and then here's more of that signage that I was talking about. Pots and pan storage. Very nice setup. And then also, this is rather nice. Your wastebasket. Deep stainless steel sink. And then down here is your pet area. So water and food. And then your freezer on the bottom. Double door on the refrigerator, which is a very nice look. You've seen that before probably if you've been shopping Grand Design. As we step up into the bedroom, or not up into the bedroom, as we step into the bedroom, here's a place for your flat screen TV should you go that route. Personally, I think I'd rather be outside hiking or enjoying the great outdoors. Plenty of storage underneath this bed. And again, back to the signage. I do want to point out they have signage here, drawing your attention to these nooks, but they're on both sides. Just additional storage. You have storage above, as well as a cabinet on left and right. We have ducted HVAC, LED lighting. So it's the 2025 Transcend Xplor 22RBX. It's offered by Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. Check it out. Leave a comment, question. We'll catch you on the next video.